The first song that we will be reacting to in this video is a song by Deep Purple and it's titled Burn. It's a live version that we are going to react to, though we will not be putting the video or the live video of the song. We will be replacing it with a picture or something because the copyright laws are different for videos and different for the music.
Would you like to introduce me as your fake reactor?
You're going to continue that?
Yes, I am going to continue because most probably both a live video, chances very high of them getting blocked. Without video,
so
without
some animation
doesn't
is
matter.
required.
Doesn't matter. So just to remind our patrons, we do not react to live performances,
Versions.
audio or video.
Okay.
We still get it. We try to react to it.
It's a gamble.
But it's a gamble. Please don't tell us. So if you could enlighten them a little bit about fake reactors like me.
Okay.
You know, something for them to know more about fake reactors like me. I numero uno fake reactoro on YouTube.
That was slaughtering of a language.
No, numero uno
And after
is
that,
Italiano. Italiano is numero uno.
your name is Italian too, so probably you are excused, right?
I fake reactoro.
Okay, I am sitting next to Savio, who is numero uno feco reactoro. Let's forget about his name for today because that's what he's playing with me. I'm going to be the real reactor, the
Not
usual
playing
reactor.
with you. I real fake reactor
He
today.
is real fake reactor today.
Real.
Yeah.
Real fake reactor. What great set of word, no? Real fake reactor.
But I'm the usual reactor on Noma that
She
you come
only
to
real
see.
reactor.
Yeah,
I real fake reactor.
the less of a title.
You will never understand value of a real reactor
Unless you see this.
you see my fake reaction.
That's true. Because, there is a breaking point of getting something again and again.
I've not reached breaking point.
You haven't, but
No.
for me,
Why
I
use such word? Breaking point. We
Of
enjoy.
taking reaction.
We enjoy what we do. I fake react, you real react. What is breaking point in that?
No,
Breaking bad,
breaking
good, breaking bad. What is that all about?
because a lot of time people don't understand that being real, being open, being honest all the time, and taking a lot of a lot of comments that are criticizing us in return is not going to solve anybody's problem. This is what we are here for. Here now he's going to be the real fake reactor and I'm going to be the real reactor. Being honestly, brutally honest about the music that we are listening to is not accepted, and that's a shame because if we are supposed to be reacting to the music that is given by requested by our patrons and they want our opinion about it, which should be honest, why should we be lying about it? Savio says what exactly he feels about the music. I will say what exactly.
Not today though, not today.
But today he's taking
Not
a break.
today.
He's on a break.
Not today. Today I say exactly what you want,
You want to hear, okay.
What you want to see.
So that's what it is going to be like in this reaction. It is different. That's why we have to mention it as it is.
Let's get started.
With Burn.
I have heard this song many times before, but I will pretend. I even watched live twice in Mumbai. But I will pretend I don't know. I will pretend.
So this is your first time.
I pretend. First time in life. What Deep Purple?
Who are
Song Deep Purple or Burn Deep Purple?
You don't know that.
What is Burn? Burn group or Burn song? That is how I'll react.
Okay.
Okay? First time.
First
First time
time.
ever. Deep Purple. First time.
We're going to give you some rock and roll.
right.
I never heard anything like this in my entire life. Never, ever. Wow. Wow. Oh.
You can relax now. Yeah?
You never heard anything like that because it was your first time listening to it. Dumbo. Oh, what music, what guitaring. Oh,
Did you like the keyboard?
oh, keyboard, bass. Oh. The organ, maybe organ.
Again, not the keyboard? Okay. Could be, yeah.
Maybe.
Could be, yeah. That had a prominent role too in the song. I like that.
What are your thoughts on this woman who seems to burn everybody
The
with
devil, she
with
devil.
wave of hand? Do you think right topic to make song about?
I don't know.
Oppression of women maybe? Targeting a particular woman maybe?
I'm not that crazy about the lyrics anyway of the song. What I liked a lot was the vocals. The vocals were crazy and your reaction was supremely crazy. Yes, no time. It was sung well. It was sung all out with a lot of passion, with a lot of craziness. I would say it was the vocalists gave it all out to the public. People like such songs in the concert, but as a catalog with the subject like that, the she devil and the prophecy was that she was gonna burn everyone. Nobody believed it, nobody cared, and now it is reality. I don't know how deep is that. Doesn't seem to be very deep. But for the music and the vocal, the song was good. You still feel emotional about it, right?
Why you said that song not good? Lyrics not good? It's the best lyrics I've read in my life.
No, sure.
Best lyrics.
Certainly not. Certainly not.
No,
The lyrics are
it's
just
best lyrics.
good to go. That's
Best
all.
lyrics. It should win Oscar award. No, wait, Grammy. Is it Grammy?
Is it?
It should win Grammy award for lyric writing. Oh, beautiful
Lyricism.
lyric. Beautiful. Don't say bad lyric. Don't say anything wrong about lyric.
It has nothing in the lyrics for me, at least to say the least. What is there was the vocals, and I like the keyboard. I mean, you're saying it could be the organ playing, Hammond organ or something. It sounded good. It gave it a nice flavor. Nowadays, we are listening to rock music that doesn't have all the time. Journey definitely has that. Not all the bands used to have the keyboard or the organ part of them, apart from a few from the 70s like Kansas, Journey, Rush, Deep Purple. They all use it a lot, but not all of the bands use it. So I like when it is part of the song like the guitar. It plays equal part like the guitars share it. And it was good. I like the drumming as well, and there was a point, when only on the cymbals he was doing it, that was well done. Sounded good. Very precisely done.
Best
music you ever heard.
everything.
Best everything. So
Best
let's
drumming,
listen to...
best guitar work, best everything, and I'll say the same thing for the next song, even if it isn't.
Okay.
I will
Michael
say same
Schenker
song
says.
because I fake reactor.
We continue with our
We
reaction.
continue, but
Yes.
after 10-second break, I need breather. I can't pause the music. All of them pause the damn music. Oh, damn. Oh,
You can't do it with me.
I can't say damn.
Them.
Not anything else. Them. I said them. I said them. It's my accent. Okay.
Okay. Goodbye, and we'll be back in 10 seconds or less.